find sine 90, the trig ratio for 90 degrees. So if you have theta here, and then from this point, if you call that point x, you try to move that point. If you try to move it closer, this line, you try to move it to approach this other y point here, such that this line becomes very straight, two straight lines like this. Understand that? Almost, so that this theta here becomes 90 here, while this other one is also 90 there. So two angle 90s, while this length here will now be 0. And you see that this line, this side, we can call it A, will now become the same as this side, A and A. So sine 90, with respect to one of the 90 degrees here, sine 90, this angle here that is 90 degrees, formerly theta, and you have shifted it to become 90 degrees. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite will be A, hypotenuse will also be A. Since these two sides are the same, A over A will be 1. And then cos 90 degrees will be, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent in this case is this bottom line that has been shifted to become 0. So that will be 0 over A. 0 over anything is 0. So cos 90 is 0. And then tan 90, tan is opposite over adjacent. So with respect to one of these 90 degrees, opposite is A, while adjacent will be 0. A divided by 0. Anything divided by 0 has no solution. So sometimes, so the solution for anything divided by 0 is usually tagged infinity. So A divided by 0 is infinity. So tan 90 is what? Infinity. So that's how we get the trig ratio for 90 degrees.